Hey, what's up, buddies? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Vechain, guys. That is the reality videos of Vechain. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price prediction with surprise changes occur in the Vechain. Let me show you. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news, for more updates about Vechain, guys. So let's begin. Let's go ahead, guys. The right now price of Vechain in the market is about 0.112922 USD dollar. That is the right now price. And furthermore, if we talk about the price update, I mean the price changes. So only the last 1 hour update is positive, except of the last 1 hour the update, last 1 day, last 1 week changes of Vechain is completely going in the loss. I mean, very badly the price decrease just in the last 1 day, last 1 week. But guys, a lot of people, a lot of Vechain holders decide to sell due to these falls. You can see here absolutely from 1st August to 5 September the price taken a quick jump. I mean, good changes occur, but after 5th September and still the price falls down. So due to these changes, a lot of people decide to sell. They understand that now the big lows, the huge long-term falls of Vechain are start, so that's why they decide to sell. But no guys, now the falling time of Vechain. But I'm sure, I believe, my prediction is that the Vechain price falls continue for 1 week, and after 1 week I think that again possibilities that the price will again pump after 1 week, guys. What you think about Vechain future? Please also share your opinion in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.